Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. Today we will learn how we can remove the background of the picture with the Picsart on iPhone. You just need to open the Picsart, open your app library, type in the Picsart and then just tap it. Now wait until the Picsart application is perfectly open and then just tap into this plus button. Now you just need to pick the picture that you want to cut the background. So here I want to use this. I already have this. Now the next thing you need to do is just take a look at this bottom feature. Now just scroll into the left side. Now there will be like a cutout here, just go tap it. Now you just need to pick what object that you want to cut specifically. That could be a person, face, clothes, sky, or auto. If you want to cut the whole body here, just go click persons and you will got this tab. You can check the preview by tap the preview and you will got this type of result. Now if you deal with it, just go click save. Now you already have this blank background here, right? Just go tap into this layers, go click this background, and you can just change the color by tap into the color backgrounds right here. And you just need to pick the color that you want to use for the new background. Tap it, and now you're done. So after you finish, just download this picture and you're totally done here. So that's for today's tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.